Bonnie Hassan's Therapeutic Pocketbook. Full name of the book. Therapeutic Manual for Homeopathic Physicians for the use at sickbed and in the study of Materia Medica Pura. Written in German and French languages. Translations. Into English, first translation 1846 by anonymous author who was a friend of Bonnie Hassan, Dr. Staff, according to Dr. J. H. Gipser. Second translation 1847 by A. Howard Oakey. Third translation 1847 by Charles Julius Hempel. Fourth translation by J. Laurie. This translation is based on Dr. Roth's French translation of Therapeutic Pocketbook. Fifth translation 1891 by T. F. Allen. Allen added one more book of Bonnie Hassan, that is, Two Sides of Human Body and Relationship, 1853. In 1935, Dr. H. A. Roberts and Annie C. Wilson added Introduction to Bonnie Hassan's Therapeutic Pocketbook in Allen edition. Sixth translation in 2000 by George Demetriades. Total number of medicines. In original book, 126 medicines. Allen's edition, 342. 4 deducted from original, 126 and 220 new medicines added. Roberts edition, 364 medicines. 4 medicines directed by Allen are Angustra, Magnetis poli ambo, Magnetis polus arcticus, Magnetis polus australis. Fundamental concepts. Doctrine of complete symptoms, doctrine of analogy, doctrine of grand generalization. Doctrine of concomitant, evaluation of remedies, concordance. Typography. Grades, 5 grades in Bonnie Hassan's book. First grade, italic spaced, second grade, italics, third grade, Roman spaced, fourth grade, Roman, fifth grade, Roman in parentheses. 5 grades in Allen's edition. First grade, capital, second grade, bold, third grade, italics, fourth grade, Roman, fifth grade, Roman in parentheses. Plan and construction. 7 sections. Mind and intellect, parts of the body and organ, sensation and compliance, sleep and dreams, fevers, alteration of the state of health, relationship of remedies, important points. 17 mental rubrics are given in aggravation chapter under rubric excitement emotional. Allen changed the chapter sensational complaint into sensation. Allen also changed that chapter and concordance into relationship of remedies. So added 21 remedies into this chapter. This chapter is useful for second prescription. The relationship of remedies contains 142 medicines. Allen added large number of eye symptoms. Allen changed amelioration into aggravation for better adaptability of book. Ken criticized to Bonihausen's generalization, but he largely praised the relationship chapter of him. Thanks for watching Dr. Taranya Homeo. Like, comment, subscribe and share.